All right, so I was weeding my front garden bed here, and my go-to tool is the Nisaku weeding knife here. This is a great tool to use to take out any weeds in your garden. Super easy. Just stick it in there, lift it up, and the whole root comes right out. This tool is amazing. I love it. It's a great stainless steel blade. I love how it has the measurements on there, so if you are doing some planting, putting some seedlings in the springtime, it's a great way to measure your depth here, how deep you're going in there in the soil. Like I said, this is pure stainless steel, Japanese steel. Now I've had this for over 12 years, and you can tell the quality of this knife is amazing. No rust. I love the wood blade on here. This is just a great quality tool that's going to last you a long, long time. Look at this. There is a serrated edge on here. I love using that as well. It's easy to cut soil bags open with it. There is a sharp edge on here. And then the tip has a nice pointed edge to it as well. So let me show you just another couple times how easy it is taking out all these weeds. It makes light work of all your gardening. I absolutely love it. Just so simple. Cuts right through the soil, opens it up, aerates it, just so you can get those roots out. That way these weeds are not growing back. This tool also comes with a little leather carrying case, which is nice. Slides right in there. You can buckle it up. Has a little snap on there. And then this little loop here for your belt loop can hang right on the side here. So whenever you're gardening, you'll have it handy. Easy to pull out, easy to use. Like I said, this is a great quality gardening tool to use. I use it every year, all summer long. Highly recommend. Great product. Thanks for watching.